Hey there! Today I'll walk you through the Kanban board and personal task manager. If your to-do list lives in a dozen sticky notes, a notes app, and the back of your mind, this workbook pulls all of it into one calm, visual system without paying for another subscription. Let's take a look at how it works. We start on the Start Here tab. It's a quick welcome that explains how the pieces connect and the easiest way to get going, so you're organized in just a few minutes. The Settings tab lets you make the system your own, your projects, your priority levels, and the drop-down lists that keep everything tidy and consistent. The Tasks tab is your master list. Every task goes here once with its project, priority, due date, and status. This single list feeds everything else, so you never have to enter a task twice. The Kanban board is where it all comes to life. Your tasks flow into columns: to do, in progress, and done, so you can see your work moving across the board and feel that satisfying pull toward finished. The priority matrix helps you decide what to actually do next. It sorts your tasks by urgency and importance. So instead of just doing what's loudest, you focus on what truly matters. The Focus tab is your daily home base. It surfaces what's due today and your top few priorities, so you can close everything else and just get to work. Finally, the dashboard gives you the big picture: how many tasks are done, what's overdue, and how each project is progressing, so you can see your momentum and stay motivated. And that's the whole system. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so your task board goes wherever you do. The link to grab your copy is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and go get things done.